Without a computer or apps like Xender, here's the easiest way to transfer photos and videos between an iPhone and an Android phone. On your iPhone, download the LocalSend app from the App Store. On your Android phone, download the same app from the Google Play Store. Open the LocalSend app on both your iPhone and Android phone. Your device may ask for permission to find nearby devices on your local network. To send files from iPhone to Android, as you can see, the Android phone appears in the list. Select the photos and videos from your iPhone Photos library. If prompted, tap Allow full access to your photos. You can select multiple photos and videos at the same time. Then confirm your selection before sending. As you can see, all of the media files are ready to transfer. Select your Android phone from the list of available devices. On your Android phone, accept the transfer request. Grant permission to save the photos and videos to your Android gallery. Wait for the transfer to finish. To use the LocalSend app, both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. As you can see, my iPhone and Android phone are connected to the same network. Once the transfer is complete, open the Gallery app on your Android phone to view the transferred photos and videos. To send files from Android to iPhone, open the Send tab on your Android phone and select Media or Files. You can choose multiple files at once by touching and holding to make your selection. Once you've selected your files, tap the Send button in the top right corner. Your Android phone is now ready to send the files. Tap your iPhone's name from the list of available devices on the network. Accept the transfer on your iPhone and wait for it to finish. You'll see the done message once the transfer is complete. All of your photos and videos are automatically saved to the Photos app on your iPhone, as you can see. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips.